let's move on to another great brain behind the ASI Alliance, which is a founder of Fetch, Humayun Sheikh. And he also gave an interesting interview that we want to jump into here for a few moments.
Tech stack. So if you think about data, and then on top of data, you have the large language models. And then on top of that, if you're building applications, the new way of building applications is using agents. So Fetch is building that layer where you can build applications.
So he's talking about, right, you all know the Fetch approach is a great customer interface where you can interact with your AI agents and they do stuff for you.
Applications using agents.
So agents are actually really interesting because a lot of companies are realizing they can plug a language model in and use their own data. What are customers coming to you and talking about right now, given that interest?
So it's quite interesting that people just use the word AI as a whole encompassing thing. But what we have seen a lot of traction on is just like with websites. When you have websites, people can ask for information from the website. Agents actually are the next iteration of websites. So effectively, you can have an agent which can actually give you information, which can interact intelligently with you. It can do tasks for you. So the most businesses that we're seeing, especially the small and medium enterprise, who don't have the resource to build technology, are coming and looking for information and application layer. And that's where the agents fit in. So we're seeing quite a lot of traction there.
So it's not.
So as you can see, agents, good metaphor here, basically like a better website or the new version of it as an information and application layer. Now I have a graphic here that makes that a lot clearer what he's actually talking about. So let's jump into that. I thought this one was very great. So let's look at that for just a few moments here. So this is basically Fetch, or how Fetch works. I hope you can all see that. So how can Fetch AI be used in real world examples, right? Real world examples. First, we have here logistics. Fetch AI's autonomous agents could optimize logistics by analyzing and predicting optimal routes, reducing costs, and improving delivery times. And we have, for example, a lot of logistical applications for blockchain, VeChain, for example, but Fetch AI agents could also play a major role in that. And this is already a proven use case that's very, very good for blockchain. Also, data analytics, Fetch AI algorithms, but Fetch AI's AI, this is so ridiculous, okay. Fetch AI's AI algorithms can analyze large data sets, provide valuable insights, predict trends, and help businesses make informed decisions. So, of course, when you have agents that are connected with a lot of data, they can analyze it in a very, very good, much better way than you could as a human being. Healthcare. Autonomous agents could manage patient data, schedule appointments, or monitor vital signs, improving effectively in healthcare delivery. Now, this is something we breached on earlier, where we talked about how AI models can make new or better statements about issues in healthcare. Obviously, not AGI yet, which I talked about, but yeah, this is something Fetch AI agents could do as well. Fetch AI could automate trading strategies, predict market trends, and provide personalized financial advice, optimizing financial services. Now, maybe this could be closely connected with the Ocean Predictor model, or maybe it will be closely connected with the Ocean Predictor model. Smart cities. Fetch AI could manage urban infrastructure like traffic lights or energy grids, optimizing resources based on real-time data and predictions. Man, if Fetch AI agents at one point manage that the Deutsche Bahn comes on time, then I will throw a huge party and you're all invited. Supply chain management. Like, it's ridiculous. Just to mention real brief. Like, Germans, I think, are kind of known for being very punctual on time. And the huge contrast to that is the Deutsche Bahn, which is the worst bahn or the worst train company in the entire world that cannot manage to ever be on time, ever. Anyway, moving on here. Supply chain management. Fetch AI could provide real-time tracking of goods, ensure transparency, and automate inventory management using smart contracts and autonomous agents. Now, I've talked about a few of these things as well in a recent video that I made about Industry 4.0, combining AI and blockchain. So you maybe want to check that out. But these are all real-world use cases for Fetch AI agents. And obviously, these Fetch AI agent real-world use cases are just a small part of the whole ASI Alliance. And when the Fetch AI agents are connected with OpenGOG Hyperon, which then is connected with the Ocean Protocol data layer, this is when the real fun starts. So I'm really looking forward to that.